Welcome to Limitless Walls. Today we'll be walking you through every step of your wall mural production and installation process. First, head to limitlesswalls.com, where you can choose from our collection of millions of high-quality images, or you can upload your own. Then just input the size of your wall and choose from one of our many material options. The peel and stick wall mural is our specialty. The adhesive doesn't grow over time like most does. That's why it's special and keeps it removable down the road. After you've ordered your wall mural, your image goes straight to our talented team of artists who will run a quality check and clean up any problematic spots. You can also order a sample ahead of time if you want to see what the mural looks like on your wall before committing to the purchase. Next, the wall mural goes to our printers, where your ideas are finally brought to life. Your mural is then shipped from our shop in North Carolina to wherever you are in about a week. Each wall mural comes with instructions, so make sure to carefully read over those. And if you ordered a larger mural, it will likely come in multiple panels. Here's the step-by-step process of how we did our own personal office project. First, make sure the wall is clean so that the mural sticks better. Remove any electrical covers before you start working, and note that each panel will also have a 2-inch overlap. Once you've made your markings, you'll want to apply the mural like a giant sticker, starting up high and gradually working your way down as you pull the backing off. This process may require multiple people, so I hope you're nice to your friends. From there, rinse and repeat until all the panels are properly hung. After that, use a utility knife to clean up any loose ends, and cut around any electrical outlets so that you can reapply the covers over the mural. You'll also want to use the squeegee provided to gently massage any air bubbles out of the mural. And just like that, your mural is finished. If you ever run into an issue during installation, feel free to reach out to our friendly customer service team at any time. To learn more, visit limitlesswalls.com.